Hello kids, I hope all of you are good. Today we are going to know some interesting features about the civilization of Mesopotamia. Those features include why Mesopotamia is called as a cradle of civilization, why do we call it a fertile crescent. We will study about the invention of writing in Mesopotamia and the code of Hammurabi, and we will discuss about Mesopotamian calendar, astronomy and numeric numbers. Here we go. Mesopotamia means between two rivers. This land was the area between two rivers, which are the Euphrates and the Tigris. These rivers are now in today's Iraq. Fertile Crescent. Have you ever wondered why Mesopotamian civilization is known as a fertile crescent? Here is why. Mesopotamian civilization emerged on a map as a shape of exactly as a crescent. Also because of the fertility of this land, which was irrigated by two rivers. Cradle of civilization. Mesopotamian civilization is called as a cradle of civilization due to the fact that so many other civilizations emerged from here since people started to migrate from this region either due to the climatic condition or invasion by Persians and Greeks. They spread into different directions and took their traditions and culture with them. Early evidences of this civilization dates back to 5300 BC when this civilization developed into city-states. Invention of writing. An important feature of this civilization is that it is one of the four places where writing was invented. The Mesopotamian language was known as Sumerian language and the script was called as cuneiform. People were able to learn more about this civilization and its progress by trials of understanding their language. Advancements. Mesopotamian civilization was advanced for its time in literature, mathematics, astronomy, and science. Code of Hammurabi. When city-states developed in Mesopotamia, they made their laws which were called as codes. Most famous of these codes is the Code of Hammurabi. Hammurabi was a Babylonian ruler who ruled around 1700 BC. He made laws for his kingdom and had them inscribed on a huge stone tablet in a script of cuneiform. These laws were very strict. Famous rulers. Among the famous Mesopotamian rulers were Sargon of Akkad, who ruled between 2334 till 2284 BC. Hammurabi of Babylonia, who ruled from around 1792 to 1750 BC. Ashurbanipal of Assyria, who ruled between 668 to 631 BC. And Nebuchadnezzar of Babylonia, who ruled between 605 till 562 BC. Art and architecture. The Mesopotamian civilization is also known for its art and architecture. Their temples had amazingly realistic carving on the walls and doors. Nebuchadnezzar, the Babylonian ruler in 6th century BC, was famous for the construction of the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. Following are the images of Stargate, which was the main entrance into Babylon. It is covered with the wonderful ceramic figures of animals and humans. It is now in the Berlin State Museum in Germany. Invention of calendar. The Sumerian calendar was divided into 12 months which were based on the cycle of the moon. Since 1 year with 12 months cannot catch up with the revolution of Earth around the Sun, so Sumerians added a leap month every 3 years. There were 7 days in a week. This invention led their interest in astronomy. Number systems. Mesopotamian mathematics was based on 60 numeral system. This system is believed to be the source of the 60-minute hour, 24-hour day, and the 360-degree circle. This form of mathematics was useful in early mapmaking also. Mesopotamian religion. Mesopotamians worshipped many gods. According to the believers, these gods control natural forces like sun, moon, and stars. According to the believers, when the gods were unhappy with the humans, they sent natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, and storms to punish humans. According to the believers, these gods were very powerful but looked like humans. If you found the video informative, subscribe to the channel of Young Brainiac and click the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Bye bye.